Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. At present, the Australian dollar continues to find the bears are weighing heavily on the support level, with the market now looking through 64.15 and down to 63.70, with the objective still looking at 62.45.60. In light of the technical pattern, there is room from the 4-hourly, but when we look at the dailies, we are still remaining somewhat oversold, but the ADX is still supporting a very strong bear trend. So this, in view of the MACD as well, supports the downside case, with any upside potential should find a cap around 64.60 minor. The euro still coming under heavily to the bearish case, with the market now sinking lower towards 95.45, with the objective hold at 94.50.70. In light of the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, has rebounded and captured the 114 level and now trades around 114.30, which is around a fresh 20-year high. Any rebound, the market most probably would find difficulty sustaining towards 96.70.90. The dollar yen, well, it still looks like the market wants to tease the Bank of Japan. After recently breaking above 145, they intervened. And will they again? I feel the market may again see this kind of price action like the spinning top reoccurring, and if so, could see another down test with heavy technicals, could see a rejection from the 145, 146 area and look down towards the region of 141 to 139 in the broader scheme of things. Sterling, well, the market's bearish in somewhat to the fact that the recent recovery yesterday didn't last, and now in the short term, although I am neutral due to the whipsaw price action, for those trading, well, we could see a fall back towards 105.50 and reassess. There is still very much tension from the Bank of England after releasing a statement that they are monitoring the developments in the financial markets closely and still could see an emergency rate hike to support the currency if it does drop heavily like we saw around the lows of 1972, 50-year lows. Gold is still holding to a bearish case and therefore could see further downside tests. The view I'm holding to is 1,580 to 88 as a potential target due to the lackluster price action and also the inverted hammer being negated, and an ADX that supports a bear trend and technicals are remaining somewhat heavy does support this case. Finishing up with oil, well, since the break of $78 a barrel, the view has very much been holding down and therefore looking towards 76 to 75 and an objective of $71.30.80. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.